guys, welcome back to my channel. So I thought I would film a quick intro video for you because the rest of this video is going to be a different view of me holding the camera showing you my makeup collection. So I just got done, well, like 2 months ago, got done with a huge declutter series, but the last video of that just recently went up on my channel. It was my lip liner declutter, but really I filmed that in October. You can tell because I'm wearing Halloween pants in that video. But basically I just got done decluttering my makeup collection and I got it down to a good size. I'm almost ready to do another declutter, believe it or not, so I might start that whole series all over again and kind of just some of my drawers are really full, which you will see once I go through my makeup collection with you. But anyways, this is my 2018 makeup collection. A lot of you guys have requested to see this video, which is why I'm filming it. So I hope that you enjoy. Yeah, let's hop into it. Okay guys, so I'll start out by just showing you my vanity setup. I know you've seen this a million times, especially if you watch my videos. This is basically the backdrop of all of my videos. This is where I like to have my happy place. But yeah, this is my little vanity setup. My actual vanity, so the big vanity, is from IKEA. That is one of my lights, so never mind that. My little chair is from Impressions Vanity. And then my bigger section here where most of my makeup is stored is from IKEA as well. It's called the Alex 9 drawers. I'm sure you've seen it a ton in tons of people's videos. And then this mirror right here, I actually get a ton of questions on as well, is from Costco. It's only $15 at Costco. So imagine that, right? And then on top of my my Alex 9 drawers, I have a lipstick organizer at the very top from Sunny Cosmetics. And then this little box right here is the original beauty box, and it's where I keep most of my lip products. As far as what's on top of my vanity, and my tripod is acting up here, guys, so sorry if it starts to slide down a little bit. So as far as what's on top of my vanity, I have my makeup brushes, which I just decluttered. That was the last part of my decluttering, and I think it looks so good. This is all of my makeup brushes. So I have a jar for eye brushes, a jar for face brushes, and then kind of like just, well, 2 jars for face brushes really, but those are kind of like backups and those are everyday face brushes. Over here I have all of my perfumes. I've gotten a couple requests to do a perfume collection. And honestly, I don't have very many perfumes. I feel like recently I've kind of gotten a little bit more. But for the most part, I have like 2 perfumes that I wear all the time. I'm just a little bit boring in that aspect. But yeah, this is a new one from Toka. I freaking love it, you guys. It smells so good. But for the most part, yeah, the rest I've had. This is my wedding perfume. This is a new one that I got. It's the Kat Von D Saint, I think. Just a little kind of travel size there, but yeah, this is my perfumes. I have some new makeup over here that I'm going to be using in a tutorial today. And then over here, I have just makeup wipes, setting spray, beauty blender, all that good stuff. And in these little drawers, this one has just like little random things. And then this one has some backup makeup brushes in it, but not very many. So that is the top of my vanity. This drawer down here is part of the vanity. I did replace the knobs. So this knob and then the knobs that are on the little drawers I got from Hobby Lobby, I think. Much prettier than the knobs that came with the vanity. But yeah, this drawer is filled with my, what I like to call my everyday makeup. If you watch my Shop My Stash videos, you can kind of see more about what's in this drawer. But this is a drawer that I keep kind of like my everyday essentials, my go-to makeup. I try to swap it out once a month-ish so that I'm giving all my makeup some love. But yeah, I have face products here, eye products here, and cheek products there. These little plastic organizers, I've also gotten a ton of questions on. They're from the Container Store, and I think I got them in the bathroom section. They do have like a makeup section, but I didn't get these in that section. I'm pretty sure these were from like the bathroom organizer section. So yeah, there's a ton of stuff like this at the Container Store. You could literally go crazy in that store if you're anything like me. So yeah, I tend to keep, you know, one little small eyeshadow palette in here, and that's kind of my everyday makeup. And then I also keep a trash can by my vanity for makeup wipes, wrappers, Q-tips, things like that. And then the majority of my makeup is stored in here. So I'm gonna start with my lip products first. This is my little CoverGirl bunny, by the way. And then back here is just my Artiste brushes. I keep them in their own little special jar. So the organizer I have up top is filled with my MAC lipsticks, and I have some others like my Bite Beauty, my Jeffree Star, just lipsticks that fit in here nicely. So, but mostly those are all of my MAC lipsticks. And then down here are the rest of my lipsticks, and I have this somewhat organized. I feel like it's become a little bit of a mess over the past couple of days. But this top drawer is for my lip liners. This drawer is perfect. It's very shallow. It's perfect for all of my lip liners. This next drawer, I have lip glosses right here, lip balms in the back over here, so liquid lip balms, and then chapsticks and such right here. And then more lip glosses right here, and then these are like pencil things, so like my nude sticks, just like the pencil type of lip products are in that drawer. The one below it are the rest of my lipsticks that are not MAC lipsticks, so I kind of have them separated. Well, at one point I had them separated between drugstore and high-end, and it's kind of turned into this little mess right here. So there was, at one point there was some rhyme or reason to it, but I have my Kat Von D's up here, my Charlotte Tilbury's right here, my YSLs are in the back over there, my Flower Beauty, and my CoverGirl and other kind of randoms back there. So those are my lipsticks, and then this drawer is for my liquid lipsticks. So again, at one point I had these separated by like nudes and colors, and it just, I just can't keep things organized, I guess, when you use them every day, but it's still neat looking, you know what I mean? And I like that I can see all of my lip products. None of them get misplaced or lost. I can see them all, and I'm looking for a certain color. Like, they're all right here, and it's just nice and easy to go to. This drawer is actually my face masks, so my sheet masks I keep in here. I just don't really have another good place for them, so that's what's in there, and those are candies. I actually got these from Sephora. They're the Sugarfina, but they're like the VIB Rouge, so I don't want to open them because I'm weird. But yeah, so those are all of my lip products. My first drawer here is foundations and concealers. So this is what it looks like. This little thing right here I got from Target, also in the kitchen section, not like the makeup section, has all of my foundations in it, so both powder and liquid. I will say I feel like I kind of need to declutter again. That's kind of a disclaimer for my entire makeup collection. I feel like it's about time to do another declutter, but that's another story. So yeah, foundations are right here, and then I have some extra beauty blenders right here. Concealers are in this little container up front, which again is from the Container Store. And then in the back, I have boxed backups of products that I already have open, that I'm already using, but I have backups for. So I have a couple of backup foundations that I got in PR. I have some eyebrow products, some setting sprays. I think that's about it. Oh, and my favorite bronzer I have a backup of as well. So other than the foundations, my backup products are things that I know won't really go bad anytime soon. So I don't have to worry about, you know, like a mascara that's been used or something like that. So that is the intent of this drawer. The drawer below it has turned into quite a mess as well. Again, I feel like I need to start decluttering again. My tripod is acting up. Okay, I need a new tripod. It's not like holding my camera still. So yeah, this drawer is basically overflow of my bronzers and blushes, as well as powders, primers, and setting sprays. So I think I just am trying to fit too much in here. I think in a perfect world, I'm probably gonna clear these drawers out and maybe put my setting sprays in here. And that way this drawer is used for powders, primers, and overflow. I think I might maybe do that today, but I didn't wanna like fake this video. Like, this is, you know, really what it's like. So this is my overflow here. Powders are right here. I actually really like this little setup for powders. I have some more powders right here, and then my primers are back here in these little containers. So it was face primers and eye primers, and then it just kind of turned into a whole lot more than that. And then my setting sprays are back there. So yeah, I think I want to maybe try to put those up there. But that is that drawer. These next two drawers are my favorite because they're so nice and neat looking. So this little container, or this little organizer divider, is also from Sunny Cosmetics. I will link as much as I can in my description box for you guys if you're interested in picking any of this stuff up for your collection. But yeah, so this is where my bronzers and highlighters are. So I have 2 rows for highlighters and 1 row for bronzers. I feel like my bronzer collection is a perfect size. I feel like my highlighter collection is a little bit out of control. So there's that. The next drawer is also so visually appealing. I mean, look at how pretty that is. This is all of my blushes. Blush is my favorite makeup product. Blushes and lip products are my favorite. I just love opening this drawer and looking at it. It makes me so happy. It looks so pretty and I stinking love it. So those are my blushes. The drawer below that are my eye products. So this drawer also looks very nice and clean, which is so exciting because at one point this was the messiest drawer of all. But yeah, I have this organized somewhat, and it's gotten a little bit messy the past couple of months, but eyeliners are right here, eyeshadow sticks and liquid shadows are right here, backup mascaras and kind of other bits and bobs brow products are in this drawer, or this section, and then new mascaras are right here. So new mascaras that I haven't opened are right there. In the back, let's see if I can get you guys a little bit closer here. In the back, I have some more liquid eye products right here, my Stila glitters. I have, and these should probably go in that drawer up top where I have like boxed backup products, but those are Ardency and Modster eyeliners that I picked up. I think that they're going out of business because their website was 70% off and I bought like 6 eyeliners because it's my favorite eyeliner and they were on like uber duper discounts, so like why not, right? So yeah, that's what those are. And then single eyeshadows are in the back there. This next drawer is my eyeshadow palettes. This is another drawer that looks so nice and neat and clean, and at one point it didn't, so I'm very happy with the way that this looks. I have them kind of organized by brand and size and things like that, but that is what is in that drawer. This next drawer is a little bit messy looking, but I can't quite figure out what else to do with it to make it look nicer. So I have my face palettes over here. So blush palettes, highlighter palettes, kind of like all-in-one palettes, all of that are over there. My lashes are right here, and then lash tools I have right there. So things like glue, tweezers, scissors, things like that I have in this, and that's in a little container from the Container Store. And then I also have my Fenty Beauty Fairy Balm in here. That thing is so huge that I could either leave it on top of my vanity and it'll get dusty, or throw it in there, so I chose to throw it in there. So that's that drawer. The next drawer is my nail polish drawer. This one doesn't get as much love as it probably should. I probably need to give this one more love. I've been getting my nails done a lot lately. I need to get them done again because they look really bad. But yeah, this is all my nail products, and it's all my nail products. So that's like polishes, files, nail polish remover, everything. And then this drawer is a hot mess. This is kind of my new product drawer that anytime I get new products, new PR, I do a haul, whatever the case may be, and I just haven't put them in their home yet, the products will go in this drawer until I can put them in their permanent home. So that is what that drawer is for, and that is really it. That is my whole makeup collection. If you're wondering, that box right there is an advent calendar that I got in PR. I had it originally up here, but I wanted to move it so that you guys can see all of my lip products. But yeah, that is the end of it. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this makeup collection. I'm trying to keep my makeup collection to, you know, a reasonable amount, and I think I'm getting there. So thank you guys so much for watching this and for watching my declutter series, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye!